horn. The horn. And then this one. Hold it down. Nothing. Nothing. And this is on. And the battery signal way high. Ignition is on. The wires, all the wires, this is all the wires. This is one connection right here. Okay, all the wires. Go down here. All the wires on here. All connected. Okay. And then this wire, because I YouTubed it, this wire right here is connected to. So all the wires are all connected. Even the inside wires here are all connected to that. So
The lights don't come on.
that's coming on, and the headlights don't come on. We turn it on, the headlight, and this headlight thing, this is the wire for it, is connected to that piece. And the horn, you hear a slight little tiny noise, that's it.